Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be discussing about those printers who already have their website built on OpenCart and they are looking forward to integrate DesignO plugin so that they can offer a personalized experience to their customers, using which their customer can simply come online, customize the product and place the order online. So in today's video, I'll be walking you through the complete process, that how easy it is for you to download the plugin and activate it, and how you can start offering the designer plugin, the customization option from the next day itself. So let's quickly share my screen, and all I need to do is go to the OpenCart marketplace where I have all these options. And here I can simply go ahead and search for the designer plugin. And once I'll do that, the first plugin, the first option I'm going to get is of DesignO API-driven web to print solution provider. And there you can simply click on download and activate it in the back end of your OpenCart platform. Now, as I have already done that, I have it in the extensions. And once I'll do that, I have to click on modules where I can see that the designer plugin is now installed and activated. Now to activate it, I just have to request the DesignNBuy team to provide me with the API URL, and within 24 hours of my request, I'll receive this link using which I would be able to access the backend of the designer plugin. Now, in the backend of the designer plugin, I would be able to access the dashboard where I can see all the orders I have received and their statuses based on the workflow I have managed, and the order management where I can see all the orders I have received. And the best part is adding the product of my OpenCart platform with the designer plugin. So here I just have to follow a two-step process where I just have to select the platform and the SKU. So once I'll enter the SKU, that particular product is now mapped with the designer plugin. So once I'll do that, let me show you how to look in the front end of the solution. So this is my OpenCart website where I have all these product offerings, and I have activated the designer plugin with the brochure. So here, once the customer comes online, the customer just have to select the same options they were selecting before, but now they can also see the customize button, using which they would be able to customize this brochure, where if they want to add some text, use some clip arts. Basically, they want to be creative, so they would be able to do that, right? So here I have uploaded some random photograph. I want to upload some clip art over here. So I have a complete library of clip arts, which I can simply click and upload. And I can simply put my ideas on this canvas and I can place the order. So by that, as you can see that how easy it is for you to install and activate the Designer plugin. As always, I'll be the happy customer and I would love to use the Designer plugin. Thank you so much for watching this video.